On this edition of Xposé Afrique, we launch at the Oak Plaza Hotel and explore the suburb of Spintex. Let's get inspired as we chat with Michael, the CEO of Design Consultants. We later join Sarah at the Oak Plaza Hotel for Friday barbecue and jazz night.
Xposé Afrique. Xposé Afrique.
You've been gone, it's an empty home. Come on back where you really belong.
Akwaba, bonjour, and a warm welcome to yet another exciting edition of Xposé Afrique. It's always a joy to spend time with you right here on Xposé. After having a good rest at the Oak Plaza Hotel in Spintex, I'm ready to show you the city. I've got a hot lineup of activities for you and surprises for you. So you do not move a muscle, because after the break, you are about to be wild right here on Xposé.
Don't forget you are.
We take a drive through the city like you've never seen before to chat to Michael.
Xposé Afrique. Xposé Afrique.
Lovely to be back. We're here to talk to a renowned architect and artist. I promised you, he's the surprise of the day. His name is Michael Adumua. Michael, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks for allowing us into your busy schedule.
Welcome to my studio.
Thank you very much. You've got a very beautiful studio, I must say.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what inspired you? What inspired you into going into architecture?
I come from a family of civil engineers and architects.
Okay.
So my dad was a civil engineer. My uncle was Victor Adegbite, Ghana's first premier architect.
All right.
So I was nurtured as an architect.
As an architect.
To be an architect.
So you always knew you would be an architect?
Either artist or architect.
Really?
Correct. Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah. So it's in the blood?
I'd like to say so. I started painting at the age of 6 years. I started doing a few portraits, a few other things. So I sculpt and I do a few things in my hands, some craft work.
Awesome.
Yeah.
How did your company start?
I actually inherited
Design Consultants.
I inherited from my dad. It started in 1968. So I moved back to Ghana from the States 6 years ago, and I picked up where he left off.
Interesting. Yeah. So, what would you say is the architecture style of Ghana? Is it cultural?
I don't know if I would say we actually have a style. I think we're in the process of identifying. We're on a journey, so it's not quite a destination. Eventually, we might evolve what the different aspects of what we're doing now to become a style.
Okay.
But it's very promising. There's a lot going on, both with the local architects and the returnees.
Yeah.
It's a very vibrant practice right now.
Okay. Yeah. What would you say was the difficulties in starting your business? Even though you inherited it, I'm sure you had your own challenges.
Correct.
Especially coming from the US into the Ghanaian market.
I think you have to relearn a lot of things once you come back here.
Okay.
It's more, my struggles are more to do with people than the architectural practice.
Really?
Site issues.
Okay.
You know, people understanding what you're saying when it comes to, or even people being able to interpret drawings.
Okay.
For example, here a lot of the craftsmen are used to things being done a certain way. A door is supposed to be 7 feet high.
All right.
So when you design a door that's 9 feet high, people see it as a mistake.
Okay.
So instead of communicating it to you, because they have more experience than a young architect like me, they go ahead and fix it.
Groomed from a young age to succeed the family business as an architect, Michael says he always knew he would be one of the best. And this is the confidence of the new African. Michael started painting at the age of 6. There was no doubt he had passion for art. His epic exterior design are certainly no walk in the park.
So tell me, Michael, how would you describe your personal style?
My personal style.
Personal design style.
A design style.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can exactly describe, or it's an amalgam of a lot of different styles.
Okay.
You know, I'm a minimalist at heart. But because of my Las Vegas background, I was trained to do larger than life design. So sometimes the blend between minimalism and that is a little bit of a conflict. Yeah,
perfect.
I like styles that are more like transitional, which is a few styles put together. So I can pick a couch from this era, maybe Queen Anne, and put it in an environment which is contemporary. But all the furniture shouldn't really come from one period.
All right. And looking around, you do use a lot of wood, if I must say.
Yeah.
What is the reason behind it?
I like things to feel natural. As you can tell, a lot of the wood here is not being stained.
Okay.
I wanted the natural feel.
The natural feel of the wood.
And you can see the rustic looking ceiling. There's the exposed concrete slab of the original structure. I thought it would be more, tell the true story of the structure of the building instead of the played out ceiling boards that we all use in Ghana.
Very true. Yeah. Also, that artwork, very beautiful.
Thank you. It's not my piece, of course. If you can tell, it's by Michelangelo.
Okay.
The Sistine Chapel.
Yeah.
And if I can briefly explain it, I think it's creation. When God was giving life to man.
Michael says he's inspired by the Michelangelo's artwork in his office.
Can we have a look at some of the works that you've done?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ready. Let's do this. Now that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Is that in Ghana? Yeah,
this is in the Ebri Mountains. It's a house I designed for one of my premium clients.
Okay.
It's been named the Herman. It got published, I think, last year in an international magazine.
I did say you are a renowned, award-winning architect. Well done, Michael.
Thank you. Internationally world.
Internationally acclaimed. The That's beautiful.
The general concept of this house was it's with the concept of my work, something that is larger than life. You know, so we wanted to defy logic and all. What was the word?
Is it supposed to, like, when you design, it's supposed to defy gravity?
Defy gravity,
okay.
Because it's like a V-shaped building.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're using actually polystyrene sheets with concrete, so it's actually a lightweight building. That is why we're able to accommodate for the leaning walls.
All right.
You know, because if it was block work, of course, it won't be able to hold in place.
Okay.
Being angled out. So.
With the exception of this work, what other works have you done in Ghana?
I did, my very first project actually was for Reggie Rockstone, Ghana's
everybody knows Reggie Rockstone, yeah.
So I did Grandpapa's for him, opened about 5 years ago.
Okay.
So I just moved back.
Okay.
And people...
That was beautiful.
Thank you. That was my entrance into the Ghanaian market. Because I have a background in hospitality and architecture, it was important for me to have that as a, you know, my very first project in Ghana.
So what are you looking at 5 years from now? Where should we expect design consultants to be?
If I told you, you have anything to look forward to?
No, Michael.
I actually don't know, because I dabble in a little bit of real estate.
Okay.
But I'm a designer at heart.
So you do real estate as well?
A little bit of it.
Okay.
I don't believe, I design more than just buildings. I like to say I design the experience of somebody. I design the environment for people to be in.
All right.
So it's more like a lifestyle design, you know, so how people interact with buildings. You know, so I've done projects where we've designed furniture, we've designed actually the fabrics that the people wear. We've designed menus for restaurants and everything. So it's like a one-stop shop for
all your designs.
Correct.
Well done, Michael.
Logos, blah, blah, blah.
Proud of you, and we wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Oh, he is an amazing architect and he's Ghanaian. This is what we're talking about, promoting African businesses. We're going on a break, and when we're back, we're going to be wowing you right here on Xposé Afrique.